How to fix Google Chrome automatically opens unknown website. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix if your Google Chrome automatically opens any of unknown websites. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. Now, let's begin. So as you guys can see here, if I open my Chrome, it will automatically load a random website. But in this case, what you need to do is tap on the three dots at the top right and then enable the desktop site. What this will do is it will make it look like that you're using a desktop computer. And now you again have to tap on the three dots and from here head over to your settings. Once you get to your settings, just tap on privacy and security and clear browsing data. From here on the basic, you just have to choose all three options and head over to advanced as well and choose all of these options as well. Now set your time to all time and tap on delete browsing data. So once you do this, your problem should pretty much be fixed, but if it's still not fixed, open up your phone settings, head over to your app settings, and here you are just going to search for Chrome. And once you find your Google Chrome, just tap on it. And now you are going to tap on Force Stop. What this will do is it will restrict any of the background activity that's happening on your Google Chrome. And once you do that, head over to storage to clear its cache. So once you do that, you should be good to go. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next video.